I don't smoke in the house. So that being said, you gonna hear echo. If you just try and make some money, this echo shouldn't bother you. You feel me? So what I'm doing is I'm just showing you how to set everything up for yourself so you can have the highest probability to win. You feel me? So let's start. Let me introduce myself because I didn't really last time. I just put that little video out just to show y'all how to, flip shit. You mean, get your money right. This is really gonna show you how to get into it. So first things first, you kind of want to be in the highest time frame, and you kind of want to map out your support and resistance. So to make that really easy, you see that I'm on the monthly time frame. Okay, so I'm going there because that's a very strong support and resistance whenever it touches. Also, when I'm doing my support and resistance, I'm gonna color code it. So let's say I'm on the monthly chart, I'm using my blue line. For myself, if I'm on my weekly chart, I'm using my pink line. On my daily chart, I'm using my white line. Okay? So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the tools. I'm going to hit my horizontal line. Wait. No, I'm tripping. What I'm going to do is change these candles because these are candles. What I'm going to do is change these candles into a straight line. It makes everything really, really simple. You feel me? You see the ups and downs right here. Now, what I'm going to do is now map that with my horizontal line. You're going to hear people talking. I'm probably going to pause. So, you mean, or I probably edit it out, but I can't even edit it out. So I'm going to pause. You're going to hear people like, oh, excuse me, whatever. So, yeah, right now I put my blue monthly line right there at that little line because that's the last time it went down and it came up. So, I'm putting it right there. Boom. Put another one. Just line them all up. Put as many as you need. Just make sure everything lines up. As many as you need. And then you go to the lower time frame and put your other color on there. So for me, I got everything in my head. I've been doing this for a little minute. For yourself, I'm gonna need y'all to write this shit down. Your favorite colors or whatever color you want to use for your different levels. You feel me? And it's important you know your levels because that allows you to put some money on the line. If you don't know what level you at, you can just kind of think you're doing something and fall right through some a one level. Like, come on, let's lock in. So I'm taking my time. Oh. And what I'm doing is I'm doing this on PayPal stock. So this is random stock I never mapped out. You feel me? So I'm mapping it out in front of y'all. Map it out. Do as many as you need. You see the points. Line them up on the points. You feel me? You see all these little points. Cool. Now what you want to do? Now what you want to do is go down to the next highest, which is the weekly. Okay. Straighten everything out. Make sure everything's straight. And then make sure you always go from left to right to do your lines because going left is the past. That's you mean back in history. So you start there because those lines are going to repeatedly hit the line, the support resistance. It's kind of crazy how it work like that. Like for example, this monthly support right here at this level is February 2018. Monday the 26th February and Monday the 12th February 18th. 2018. The same support and resistance was tested again in Monday the 27th June 2022. You feel me? As soon as when it hit this level, it reacted and it went up. You feel me? And it kept going up. When it hit the level, it reacted and it went up. When it hit the level, it reacted and went up. When it hit the level, it smallly reacted, went up, and fell straight through. And then again, and then it back tested that. Let me show y'all. So after it respected the level, it fell through, and it tested it again. This is a very strong level. So once it's here again, we know it's time to fucking snap. I ain't no cat, bro. So, you mean, let me go down to that weekly. You feel me? So, map this shit out right here. You feel me? You can turn that pink because mine. That's my levels I've been doing since the beginning of time. Since my beginning of time of trading. You feel me? It's a little different on my phone. It's not really different, it's just a little smaller. So you can definitely, if you got a laptop, I've been doing this for a minute, so I'm comfortable with this. But if you got a laptop, if you're not comfortable with doing this on your phone, do this on your laptop. You feel me? Line up all your levels, color quarter all, any level. So if you see a pattern on one level, you color core that. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's see. Let me see. Of course, I'm getting text messages. Fuck it. I ain't even mute my shit, but I don't even care. Uh, Boom. You feel me? All right, bet. Let me go down one more level. I'm gonna go to the daily just see so I can make sure. You feel me? Let me see. I don't really see nothing else in that daily. Just I'm gonna keep it a bean. You probably only need one or two levels, depending on what's up. You feel me? One or two levels, maybe three. You mean? That's really all you need because they really strong levels. Now all you waiting for patterns and things to line up at those levels to make a move. All right, so let me go back to my candles. So look at this shit, man. Look at this shit. They gonna hurt my soul. Focus. Look, it's respecting the shit out these lines. You really don't kind of once you get the hang of it, you're gonna realize it's respecting the shit out the lines. Like for instance, this. I'll move over a little bit more. For instance, this right here is the monthly support resistance. This support is what holds it up, and the resistance is what stops it from going up. So the support is holding this shit up. It jumps through the weekly, hits a monthly resistance 3 times. Boom, boom, boom. Triple top, head and shoulders type shit. Fall through, hits the monthly line again, double bottoms, and then pops off. Damn. That's crazy as shit, bro. And what I just said is real patterns, bro. And so when you see the monthly, it's respecting the shit out the lines. And it took for all this to happen. It took for the double bottom at the monthly to retest where is that what it's been before to jump. It hit the monthly, it gapped up the next day, came back tested, and it threw up. Come on. So let me show you this. So for myself, since I'm a color coder, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color code everything. I see a pattern right here. I'm gonna line this hoe up on the daily. Boom, my X A B C D. You got a deep Gartley on the daily. So what it did was my deep Gartley came on this monthly resistance line. So it hit that. So now I'm like, all right, cool. I need like this is good confirmation for you can catch the little quick type one move. Because with patterns like harmonics, this is a harmonic pattern. Where harmonics, there's type ones, like phases, type like this whole right here, when it hit the D, this whole thing is a phase one. It's just reacting. This is, shows that it wants to buy at the area. Now, not only did it react, it came back and back tested. We call that a spring back test. So it hit the delay, bounced up for the phase one, spring back test. Now phase two, that bitch is flying. Now usually with the phase two, it usually goes higher than the phase one, and it's usually like the a continuation of reversal type John. These patterns is like continuation of reversals. You feel me? Now I had a continuation pattern They gave me a back test at a monthly. This line right here, monthly resistance, and it allowed me. It would have allowed that trader to make that full move on PayPal, and the shit still ran. God damn, ma. God damn. God damn. So off that line right there, think that was in July 2024. That's when you would have made your move. You feel me? This how long it would have took y'all. It would have took y'all 160 days for it to go from $52 to a high of $93 a share. You feel me? So what I mean by like PayPal is a stock, and each stock, has each price. So what investors do, they buy a whole bunch of these joints. So let's say an investor saw this move right here at 57. They're like, oh my God, this is beautiful. They bought like 1,000, 100,000, 300,000, $1 million worth of shares of this and held this for the 161 days and they're balling. You feel me? And this shit's still going up. So, hey man, this is how you can start and get yourself, set up. Now, if you want to make money a little quicker, you go down on lower levels, like the 4 hour, 1 hour. It's the same exact thing on each and every level. There's no differences. You feel me? The only differences is it be a little quicker, and you gotta react a little quicker when you're taking profits or making a play or entering a play. You always really want to see a back test in when you're making a play because you don't want to, fuck up your psychology to where, you know, you get in, you making money, and then all your gains is giving back. It's like unless you've been in there like me or a lot of other people, you like, "Ugh, I don't know, man. I just put in 150, it just went up to 1,000, came back to 150. Ugh. Just hurt your stomach, don't it? But thank God it came back at that monthly support and resistance upswing back test, and it also gave a smaller pattern on the 4 hour. You just don't see. I see it. You feel me? Boom. Ugh. Ooh. 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 Another one. Another deep guard lead on a 4 hour. Now my 4 hour, I got colors for every level. My 4 hour is red, my 1 hour yellow, my 30-minute orange, my 15-minute green, my 5 minute light blue, my 3 minute gray, my 1 minute purple. Come on, I'm not playing with y'all. Color code everything. I'm dead serious. So it can make it real easy for you, bro. Sis, whoever, color code this shit. So yeah, man. As you see, the market is respecting these motherfucking lines every time. Even fuck all the patterns, fuck all this. It came up, hit the monthly, came back down, bang bang, like it's like in the middle. It's like, oh my god, these are strong levels. It's bouncing between. It came up, hit it, fell back down, didn't it barely cracked the boundaries, and threw all the way back up, gat through it. You got to see how it's respecting these levels, and it's been doing it since the. Come on, it did the same thing. Even crazier last time. I went all the way up here for the weekly, fell straight through, but held at this level. This is a strong ass uh, monthly resistance. This is crazy. Cause then it gets right through. So hold on, my pause. Nah, the pause, whatever. Uh, ooh, hurt my heart. So look, yeah, that's really it, bro. I'm gonna be keep it a bean. It's really that simple. Like it's like not as hard as motherfuckers make it out to be. They be doing all this magical stuff. What you want to do is you want to find your way of playing. Like this is my way of playing. Like it's really different ways and different styles, but they all come out to the same equation. You feel me? Like it's no wrong answer. You just gotta be precise about what you're doing. So. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.